back to another beautiful vlog. Happy Friday! And our Friday started very good. I mean, it's not started. We both are off work. It's 6:30.
It's ending good.
Yeah, it's ending good. It's 6:30 in the evening, and let me give you a peek in my background. Oh my God! So we just came back. So let me tell you from the starting. So when I came back from work, Mayank also got off his work, and then we called the mango farm because this morning I got a mail that these mangoes are available. So we called the mango farm to ask them that if you can book it and we can go and pick them up on Sunday, because they're closed on Saturday and it's open only on Monday to Friday till 6 o'clock in the evening. So they were like, this mango is available now, but I'm not sure whether it's gonna last till Sunday or not, so if you want you have to pick it up today. So we're like, oh fine, we're coming. So we went for a 45 minutes drive. We got two beautiful boxes of 25-pound boxes of Southern Blush and one box of Tommy Atkins, which is all ripe. So they gave this to us for $10. That's it. And these boxes are $35 each. And we got what?
I think this is mixed.
That's what I thought. These are mixed.
Yeah, the ones that were like
all ripe.
All ripe.
So this basket, I think it's mixed with everything that is ripe and ready to eat. They gave it for $10. And then open this box, this bag. This is another bag. This is another basket of mango.
Coconut something.
Coconut something. The taste of this mango is like pina colada. So we are very excited to try that. And then they were giving $1 avocado. So we got avocado, and this is the $1 avocado. And oh my God, look at this avocado. This is an avocado, guys. Can you believe it? Oh God. And so online, if you buy this avocado, it's $47, and on the farm we got it for $3 freaking dollars. $3.
You know what? We should have asked them to pause and tell us how much this avocado is cost.
I mean, I couldn't keep it inside me. I had to tell it to you guys. Just look at the size. I mean, seriously, these are called long neck avocados, and I saw it online recently.
Look at the size.
Yep. Look at it in my face and my neck. I saw this online recently, and
she tagged me.
Yeah,
and I saw, and it was like $50, $90 some places.
So they start from 47, and according to the weight, the price goes up. But this is so big, so heavy, and it's $3.
One of the advantage when you live near to the farm.
Exactly. And they said the taste of this is like more buttery, creamy. So we're super excited to try this. And we got like 7 of these avocados. They're still raw, so I'm gonna use them one by one because they're like so big still compared to let me show you compared to the avocados that we get for $1 from Walmart. Look at this.
I know, right?
Yeah. Oh God. So
the Friday
that's what our Friday is looking like today.
We are super duper excited, and the weather is good too because it's been raining, so it cooled down a little bit.
Yeah, and because this box is all ripe, so we're gonna cut the whole box today and freeze some and eat some kind of thing. We're gonna do something like this whole evening. You're gonna see us what we do with mangoes today. And also,
I mean, some of these are like, this one is not that bad.
This is all like very soft.
We don't have to like freeze it right away. This one,
I'm gonna make some purees also and keep it. Right?
So that's what I was gonna ask.
Like this is so soft.
We should make amras and keep it. Amras is basically just puree. Just puree.
Touch this. It's so soft. So I just puree all these things, kind of thing. So we're gonna do.
Box.
He already has a cut in his finger here. The other day that he got cut, and then he is being so careless that
it's almost dried off, so I don't remember. It hurts only when something hits it. So it's hard to remember all the time.
Oh my God, this box smells, oh my God, amazing. So anyways, is it raining? Yeah,
even
it was.
These Southern Blushes smell so
Oh
good.
yeah. So they are tree ripe. You can do you see here the, what is this called thing? This thing, the liquid that comes out when you when you pluck it from the tree. It's that that pure kind of thing. So just put ice, baby. So anyways, it has been raining in the evening, but now it stopped. So we're gonna go give Marvel his walk, come back, and I gotta clean the house because it's Friday, and you guys know that I cleaned my house on Friday, even though it's delayed today because we had to go to the farm.
Yeah.
But I'm still gonna clean it so that my Saturday and
So
Sunday is
our
free.
plan is for this vlog, you're gonna see us. First of all, we got the mangoes that we're gonna just keep it, and it's gonna take somewhere between 1 and 5 days to actually get ripened.
Yeah.
So we have to like check at the end of every day if 1 or 2, whichever are ripened, they are gonna go in the fridge. And then this box, some of them are like we have to cut them today, so we're gonna wash them, cut them, everything. And some I think will be fine if we just wash them, dry them, and keep them in the fridge, and then cut them tomorrow and day after. So, and I mean cut them and puree them. So some of them will be pureed, some of them will be so one of the methods like you can do is like you can take all the seeds out, you know, cut them, we can cut them, and then all the seeds just put it in one bowl and pour some milk into it and just keep it.
Seeds?
Mango seeds, gutli. And then pour some milk into it and keep it, and then mash it so it takes all the mango out, and then that you can add into your puree.
Like just the seeds, not the pulp?
So it basically draws out, that's how you make amras. So you don't lose any mango flavor basically.
But you don't use a mango actual.
You use the mango and you use the seed. So for the seed you put some milk into it, and milk absorbs all the flavoring and add that milk into the mangoes.
Oh.
And then make the puree
And then
of it.
okay, I was like, just use the seed. I'm not able to understand what he's saying.
So basically your seed, you don't have to like eat them or do anything. You can just soak them.
Got it. Alright, so yeah.
Anyways, let's give walk to Marvel and
we'll come back and we'll see you sometime.
Alright guys, so I have actually retired Tanya for the rest of the day from the kitchen, and I am making something really quick. I won't be able to show you guys, share the recipe because it's past 9. We are not used to eating this late, and I just started cooking. What I'm making is, I'm making cabbage. I'm making a very simple food. Tanya already made the dough and kept inside the fridge. I'm making cabbage and potato, and I'm making tur dal. So I'll be making this once it's done. In between I'll show you, but I'm sorry I won't be able to share the recipe today, but some other day, since we are so late. And you know,
Simple recipe.
Yeah, we are just making it in a very simple style, like cumin, salt, turmeric, that's it, asafoetida, hing, and then for dal I'm just gonna give at the end a little bit of tadka, but that's it. So let's see. Alright guys, an unusual ending to a vlog. We actually were watching TV and then we just passed out on the couch. We actually joined the couch and we passed out while watching TV. And it's almost midnight, almost 11:45 actually. And then we woke up and we realized we are not sleeping in bed and we were just lying with Marvel. So now we are just cleaning up the kitchen and putting everything in the dishwasher, and then we are gonna hit the bed, and we are gonna see you guys in our next vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed today's unusual vlog with long neck avocados and lot of mangoes. Do let us know, comment if you have seen such an avocado before, or what is your favorite kind of mango. Let us know, and we are gonna see you in our next vlog. Until then, bye bye.